I thank each one of you who is attending this brainstorming of burning issues, a scientific session series of diabetes dilemma. And we have a web page and you can see all our previous sessions as well as the upcoming sessions on this web page. In today's session, we are going to discuss glucose variability and time in range, and we will be discussing about all this. We know that glucose variability has been discussed for a few years and we know the importance. First time in 2020, the evidence coming that these glucose fluctuations which we can capture in time in range actually strongly correlates with microvascular complications as well as risk of severe hypoglycemia and admission for ketosis. So we will be discussing a sub-study of rescue. We will be discussing the importance of high glucose, how it affects the vascular tree, how to use time in range, and how to explain our patients to improve their time in range by using continuous glucose monitoring or SMBG to have the best outcome for themselves. So our work is going to increase. It's not only A1C, it's not only fasting and postprandials, but now also we need to discuss time in range with each one of patient. So we need to have a good team in our diabetes clinic so that all the outcomes for our patients can be improved. So do join for this session which discusses time in range and glucose variability from diabetes dilemma. Thank you.